go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, I don't go feed the girl, I don't go feed.
For the economy, if not for the, no. If not for myself, I'm the one responsible. Discipline is when you become a law to yourself. The message translation, let me read it, you get it clear, of that same chapter. It said, have you been to the stadium? It's not getting money. Money, I'll tell you deeply, how to something hard. Don't miss it. It's going to rise to your feet. Shout hallelujah. Hallelujah. These things are not things you pray for. These are things you read if you want to be a first class student. Even if you buy papers.
Person by just now forevermore. Amen.
Surely.
God's goodness and mercy shall follow me. Hello, ma. Good morning. Please, ma. Are you in your shop now? I'm coming. I want to weave my hair. My hair is really soft, but of recent I realized that it gets really dry. Like it feels so dry. Like you saw earlier on, I just added water before I could comb, but before I could just comb my natural hair without using water, but it gets really dry. So yesterday I went out to shop. By the way, if you haven't seen my independent vlog, go check it out because it just went up today, being Wednesday. Yeah, so I shopped and I saw this hair moisturizer from Soulmate. And I mean, if you're in Nigeria, you should know that Soulmate is a really good brand. I mean, while growing up, almost all the salon that we used always had like Soulmate, this big Soulmate hair cream. So I just decided to get this and try it out because my hair doesn't even select products, so hopefully it works. I'll just let this sit for a few minutes before I'll go to the salon, and yeah.
I'm on duty, now you post.
Let me see the sample.
102. This one sometimes 12 and so it comes out extra.
Go just help me load down for the keke. This much. Of this rubber is how much?
One, 900.
From River State and they blame the Nigerian police army and so.
My loves, so I just go back and people can be so frustrating. So the salon woman that was supposed to weave my hair, I passed her salon like twice and her shop is still locked. I went to the laundry also. The laundry guy is not also done with my clothes, so I think those stores are going to be shifted to another time or another day because I'm so tired. It just feels like this week has been so busy for me, and this vlog also feels like a continuation from my Independence Day vlog. So yeah, like you said earlier on, I just had to get rice, gari, beans. I'm not a fan of beans. Like I only cook beans when I crave beans. So I got half rubber because I want to have beans tomorrow. So yeah, that's the updates, and I'm going to talk to you guys much later. Okay, bye.
Plenty so far with the face. Just to make sure money day. For my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want the love. Tell me, what's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I know beat, die for nothing. What's it go? You want go? All the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a I be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come. The gas, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are the all the men. The gas, ride the whip, I know feet. Oh no, now. Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind.
Hi my sweet loves, how are you all doing? And How has the weather been treating you guys? Has it been raining constantly in your states? Because it has, like, it rained yesterday evening till night, and it has been raining since morning. And I love the weather, coupled with I have a fresh duvet from the laundry, so my sleep just got better. Oh my god. Yeah, so talking about laundry, you guys, by the way, I'm dressed up to go out. And talking about laundry, you guys, after I picked up my laundry yesterday, it just made me realize that I should have gotten a washing machine like a long time ago, you guys. If I do my laundry like 10 times, I could buy a washing machine. So imagine how long I've been sending my clothes to the dry cleaner up until now. I just realized that, girl, you need to cut down on this expense. It's a lot. Like, we're in the era now where anything you know you can do to save money, you just have to do it. Like, I'm even thinking of getting an inverter for my house, because electricity and then buying fuel. Imagine buying 10 liters of fuel for 15,000 or 14,000. Like, it's it's crazy. Because when I was in school, I bought 10 liters of fuel for 1.5, for 1.6. If fuel was high, 1.6. But 10 liters of fuel I bought for 1.5 for my gen in school. And no, it's not past my neighbor. So I used that for like probably 2-3 times. But now you buy 10 liters of fuel and it can finish up ASAP. Anyways, I'm going out to get a washing machine because I've just thought about it. Like, we're in October. In fact, October just started, and in fact, I even have a pile of clothes I need to send to laundry again. But I was just like, nah, let me just get a washing machine. So I'm heading out now to go buy a washing machine. It's not planned, and I'm not even happy I'm spending this amount of money. But I just hope I can get a washing machine within my budget. It just stopped raining. It has been raining since morning, and it's like past 12 or to 1. So I would have like gone out long time and come back, because that's the only thing I need to just do today. I just want to get a washing machine, and yeah, I'll carry you guys along. And if you know you've not left a heart emoji in the comment, make sure you do that right now, and let me know if you're enjoying my vlogs. Let me just interact with me. Let me know what you think about my videos. Do you like them? Do you enjoy it? Is it short? Is it long? Do I make it shorter or do I make it longer? Tell me what you think, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later. By the way, I still haven't weaved my hair. I'll probably do that tomorrow, but yeah, let me rock this my horrible looking natural hair a bit. Alright, bye guys.
You get the heck out. I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been empty mindset. I should have came from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. Times I read the news, this is hurt. Several chains me a war in my mind. And let go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will put up in front of me. All the while, I wait my almost favorite. Still wanna try, still believe it.
shorty. Motimu one, I'm on two. When you call on me, I'm three. Wow. Shady bambe, leve. Deep loud. Twerk your body, twerk your body, twerk your body, I do it. Isakaba.
Give me your body, your body looking like tsunami stars in Hiroshima, Nagasaki.
Plenty of money, don't make me miscalculate. Don't make me your body play. Don't make me the